They looked like dream bikes until reality hit just 1 year in thousands of owners are bailing on these motorcycles, from breakdowns to brutal resale value. These are 7 bikes riders seriously regret buying. If you're thinking of getting one, watch this first. Number 7. Kawasaki Eliminator, the bargain that bleeds money. At first glance, the Kawasaki Eliminator seems like the perfect entry-level cruiser. A manageable 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, a sleek, urban look, and a tempting $7,000 price tag. But within months, reality kicks in. A fuel gauge that lies like a politician, full 1 minute, empty the next. Slippery stock IRC tires that feel like you're riding on oil. A seat that turns every ride over an hour into a medieval torture session. And if you think resale will save you, think again. Within a year, the Eliminator loses 50% of its value, faster than you can say bad investment. What looked like a bargain becomes a black hole for your money. Number 6. Harley Davidson Sportster S, tech-flavored heartbreak. Harley fans had high hopes when the Sportster S launched. A futuristic look. 121 horsepower from the brand new Revolution Max engine. Modern ride modes and tech galore. But the dream quickly shatters. Oil leaks from faulty cylinder heads start staining driveways. Ride modes glitch mid-ride, leaving owners scrambling. And the suspension? It's so stiff you'd think you're riding a broken pogo stick. Price? $21,000 upfront. Plus thousands lost in rapid depreciation when resale values tank within months. Harley wanted to modernize. Instead, they served up heartbreak with a premium price tag. Number 5. Indian FTR, the flat track pretender. The Indian FTR looks like pure muscle. 120 horsepower V-twin. Aggressive, dirt track-inspired styling. But underneath that tough exterior lies a mess. Cold starts are a gamble. Throttle response jerks like a bucking bronco. The LCD dash freezes mid-ride like it's haunted. And the tiny 3-gallon tank means you're constantly on a first-name basis with gas station attendants. Worst of all? The engine roasts your thighs like a barbecue whenever you're stuck in traffic. For $16,000, you deserve a real flat-track champion. Not a beta test. Number 4. Harley Davidson Road Glide, luxury? More like liability. At over $30,000, the Road Glide should be a rolling throne. Instead, it's a rolling headache. Issues pile up fast. A clutch heavier than a dumbbell at the gym. A notorious transport mode glitch that bricks the electronics if you're unlucky. Squeaky suspension that makes every bump sound like a haunted house. And then there's first-year depreciation. Expect to lose $5,000 to $8,000 in value, even if the bike stays showroom fresh. For a machine built for long-distance domination, it spends way too much time in repair shops and service bays. Number 3. Triumph Rocket 3, the depreciation rocket. On paper, the Triumph Rocket 3 is legendary. 2,500 cubic centimeters engine, the biggest production bike motor in the world. 167 horsepower of pure madness. But ownership is another story. Gearboxes fail far earlier than they should. At 888 pounds, it intimidates even veteran riders. Dealer support is scarce. Engine heat fries your legs like bacon on a Sunday morning. Maintenance costs are brutal. And resale value? It plummets faster than the Rocket 3 speedometer climbs past 100 miles per hour. What starts as a thrilling ride ends up being a financial black hole. Number 2. Indian Scout Bobber, style over spinal substance. The Scout Bobber looks incredible. Low-slung stance. Slammed suspension. Pure bad boy energy. But living with it? 2 inches of rear suspension travel will crush your spine on every pothole. The seat feels like someone nailed a garden plank to the frame. Forward controls cramp taller riders into awkward origami poses. And a 3.3-gallon tank? Constantly interrupts your rides with fuel stops. The Scout Bobber wins Instagram likes, but it loses every ride longer than 30 minutes. Number 1, Indian Chief, the $20,000 regret. The Indian Chief was supposed to be Indians' crown jewel, a return to the glory days. Instead, it became a cautionary tale. Problems hit early and often. Electrical glitches haunt the bike. Premature mechanical failures make long rides risky. Build quality feels shockingly cheap for a premium machine. And service bills? Don't even ask, they'll leave your wallet crying. To add salt to the wound, resale value craters almost immediately. Within a year, many Chiefs lose $5,000 to $8,000, with no sign of slowing down. Indian aimed for Harley's throne, but instead, they built a $20,000 regret. The verdict? In the motorcycle world, looks, horsepower, and flashy marketing don't tell the whole story. The Kawasaki Eliminator's budget cruiser dream? A trap. Harley's attempts at modernization? Heartbreaking. Indians' promises of premium luxury? Empty. The sad truth, some bikes are built to impress until you actually live with them. Police cars' revolving lights so tell us, did you dodge these financial bullets, or get burned? Drop your experiences in the comments. Thumbs up sign, smash that like button if you appreciate no BS bike content. White heavy check mark, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Legend Pro for more motorcycle truths manufacturers don't want. Why?